Hey there, welcome back to GTK Beginner's Guide. This video is about what it takes to be a successful trader. Everyone loves the idea of trading. Money from your phone, freedom, no boss. But what does it really take to become a successful trader? Spoiler, it's not luck or signals, it's skill, mindset, and discipline. Let's break it down. Strong foundation is basis. You don't need to be genius, but you need to understand how the markets work, what moves prices, basics like pips, lots, risks, and leverage. Why? Because no strategy can save you if you don't know what you're doing. A solid trading plan. No successful trader just wings it. They have a plan that includes when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk, what to trade, and when. And most importantly, they stick to it. Mastering risk management. Want to last in the game? Protect your capital. Never risk more than 1 to 2% per trade. Always use stop loss. Accept small losses, they're part of the business. Survival first, profits second. Emotional control. This is a secret weapon. Don't trade angry, don't chase losses, don't get greedy. The best traders are calm, patient, and disciplined, even on bad days. Constantly learning and improving. Markets change, strategies evolve. You have to keep learning. Study your losses, losing trades. Learn from others. Journal everything. Stay humble. Trading is a skill, and every skill requires practice and patience and improvement. Final thoughts. So, what does it take to become a successful trader? Knowledge, strategy, risk management, emotional discipline, consistency. It's not about being perfect, it's about being prepared and showing up every day. Consistency wins always. So, that was all about it, guys, in this video. I'll see you all in the next video.